Samsung's upcoming flagship phones, the Galaxy S24 series, are anticipated to bring improvements. While the design remains largely unchanged, there will be enhancements in terms of performance and battery life. Additionally, we can expect advancements in display technology and a wider range of color options. Interestingly, Samsung has decided to make these display upgrades available across all three models of the Galaxy S24 series, then reserving them for the Ultra variant. This marks a shift in their display technology strategy compared to years. The entire lineup of the Galaxy S24 models will feature LTPO and 13 displays that can reach a peak brightness of 2500 nits. In the past, only the Ultra models had LTPO panels and the ability to achieve levels of brightness. This update is an improvement, as it means that even non-Ultra models will now have same refresh rates. The peak brightness of 2500 nits mainly applies to how the panels can enhance brightness when displaying HDR content, which is truly impressive. This change in strategy is in one since both the Galaxy S24 and S24 Plus are considered flagship phones. By incorporating Samsung's display technology across all models, it perfectly meets the expectations of discerning consumers. In the news, Ross Young and the Galaxy have revealed that the S24 lineup will be offered in 4 colors: black, gray, violet, and yellow. While Samsung has traditionally stuck with black and gray for their high-end phones, it's interesting to see them introducing violet and yellow as color options. The time Samsung released a phone in yellow was with the Galaxy S10e, which had a standout canary yellow variant. As for violet, it made an appearance during the launch of the Galaxy S21 series with the Phantom Violet option for the Galaxy S21 and S21 Plus. So if you prefer unique colors than black, gray, or white, you might want to consider checking out the upcoming Galaxy S24 series. Although Ross Young has been accurate in his predictions, it's always wise to take this information with a grain of salt until we have reliable sources. Apart from these color choices, all 3 phones in this lineup will feature upgraded processors for performance and efficiency, along with enhanced camera capabilities. Additionally, there will be exciting new generative AI features to explore. So, what do you think about these color options? Feel free to share your thoughts in the comments section, and make sure to stay tuned for more updates on our channel. Looking forward to seeing you next time. Till then, peace out.